they were saying na talagang ina-attribute nila sa iyo yung sales ng landline, the original phone. Sabi nga raw ng bit higher ups pa in PLDT, aba, bumibenta pa pala ang quote landline. But they're attributing it to you. How do you feel that at this point in your career, ganun pa rin ang effect mo sa tao na nakakapag, you know, I mean, you get a product like this out there, and
influence.
then the results are amazing.
Influencer.
Expected na yun.
Hindi ako bigla. I think first of all, I think it's a really good product, first and foremost. Diba? It's a really good product. Nangyari lang na napasali ako and my name was there. Pero I think when you're trying to sell a product, it has to be a really good product for it to work. Para bumenta. Kasi kahit sinong ilagay mo dyan at hindi maganda yung produktong binibenta mo, siguro it will sell for a while, but after, hindi na rin. So I think first of all, it's a good product. Maraming ino-offer, hindi lang naman isang product yan, connect yan siya. And so, kumbaga, I feel very blessed that I got involved in it. And malaking bagay din yung palibreng concert, di ba mga bossy? Malaking bagay din yung, I think we were talking about it kanina na it's always a good way to sell anything, a concert is, kasi it's a free concert, even if you're not a fan, you'd be curious. And then eventually, oo nga, na-convince nga.
Bibili na ako.
Ganun yun eh. So, malaking bagay din yung pa-free concert. So, happy ako doon. But more than anything else, I think this is a good product that PLDT Home is trying to give to people. So, kaya siya talaga bumenta.